The world is currently home to 7,244,772,660 people. In 1967, this planet was home to a mere 3 billion people. Every year, about 135 million people are born, while 55 million people die. This results in a net gain of about 80 million people per year, or 1 person every 13 seconds. The population is estimated to reach 8 billion by 2025. This large increase of people living on the planet will cause large amounts of deforestation, freshwater scarcity, and loss of coastal habitats.
Trees filter out air. They protect people from massive erosion and are home to many different species and their ecosystems. As of 2005, it is estimated that 30% of total land area is covered by trees. Unfortunately, though, according to Sierra Magazine, by 2014, about 95% of the world's forests have been cut down. That leaves us with only this many trees left. However, though, many countries have begun to plant thousands of trees in hope of restoring some of the destroyed forests. All countries need to take action and quickly, though, if they want to make a difference.
The world population is nearly 7 billion people and growing. The global water consumption rate doubles every 20 years, which is double the rate of the population growth. By 2025, 1.8 billion people will be living in regions of fresh water scarcity.
As the human population on the world's coastlines increase, coastal habitats are put at severe risk. Commercial and residential development, as well as the building of more roads and highways, begin to overtake land that was once home to many different habitats. Human life on the coast also begins to threaten species as the amount of runoff, some of which can be harmful to the ocean's critters and its ecosystem, increases. In 2003, approximately 3 billion, a little less than half of the world's population, is living on the world's coastlines. And by 2025, that figure will likely double. In developing countries, more than 90% of wastewater and 70% of industrial waters are discharged into coastal waters without being treated. The average population density in coastal areas is about 80 persons per square kilometer, twice the world's average population density. There are way too many people living on the coastlines.
There are now 7,244,775,080 people living on this planet. The demand for lumber and land, fresh water, and living space on the coast is increasing by the second.